Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you that how can you send snaps without media upload problem on Snapchat. So guys, if you're using Snapchat on iPhone or on Android phone and try to send snaps without that error, so this video is for you. You need to watch this video till the end. So first of all guys, you need to open your settings. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this go back. So guys, if you're using iPhone, you need to open App Store, and if you are using Android device, you need to open Play Store in your device, and here you need to search Snapchat. So guys, after opening your Snapchat, you need to open your Snapchat app and you need to check for update. If your app is not updated, you need to update your app. And after doing update, you need to go back. Now you need to open your settings, scroll it down, click on general, and from here check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN, and after this go back. So guys, now you need to click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset, and you need to reset your network settings, and after this go back. So guys, from here you need to check that your problem will be fixed. If still not fix your problem, then you need to open your Snapchat. And guys, after opening your Snapchat, click on your main profile icon, click on settings, and after this you need to scroll it below. So guys, after scroll it down, here is the option of clear data. Click on it, and now guys, you can see multiple options here, but you need to clear cache of your app, and click on clear cache. And now the app will be automatically back. Simply you have to open your app again, and guys, now you need to send your snaps, and guys, your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.